Hello everyone, this is Lulu. The weather is getting warm. Recently, I've been craving for fish, so today I'd like to share a healthy, delicious recipe. It's a steamed cod. This is one of my favorite fish dishes. It only takes about 20 minutes to prepare everything and 8 minutes to steam. The flavor is just so perfect. You may also use sea bass, tilapia, or any white fish of your choice. I personally prefer cod, and I happen to have some cod in my refrigerator. So today I'm going to steam this fish. First, let's pat dry the fish fillet with a paper towel. Make sure they are dry pretty well. Then we're going to marinate the fish fillet with the sea salt, pepper, some garlic powder or onion powder of your choice. Make sure to marinate both sides. Gently press ingredients down into the fish fillet for better flavor. And I will also steam some broccoli with the fish together. You can also use broccolini, asparagus, or any green vegetable of your choice to steam with the fish together. Set fish fillet on side after marination. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and clean broccoli in salt water. I will soak broccoli up in the salt water for about 2 to 3 minutes. After a couple minutes, I'll cut them into bite sizes and let it continue soak for another 2 minutes. Okay, while broccoli is soaking in salt water, let's go ahead and prepare other few ingredients for steamed fish. Ginger is a must-have for this dish, so I used about a medium size of ginger. Slice them into thin strips. It doesn't have to be very thin, just as thin as you can handle. If you're not crazy about ginger, you can use a smaller portion of ginger. Make sure just have a few strips of ginger on each fish fillet. That's most important. Personally, I love ginger flavor, so I always use tons of ginger when I steam this fish. Green onion is also must-have for this fish. I used about 2 full-size green onion, only green parts, but you can use more if you like. I'll use a portion of a green onion slices for steam fish. Use the other portion of green onions for garnish after steam. Thai chili slices is total optional. I personally love little kick and have a enhanced flavor for this dish. So I prefer to use a one Thai chili, but you can totally avoid that if you're not into spicy food. Okay, that's all we need for this dish. Let's prepare and assemble everything together. Drizzle a couple tablespoons of olive oil or flavored olive oil in the steam ball. Here I used garlic flavored olive oil and gently sprinkle some salt and pepper. Toss broccoli around in the ball first, evenly coat it with the flavor. Then we're going to lay all the fish fillet on top of it. Then place ginger slices, green onion slices, and Thai chili slices on every piece of fish fillet. I like to take my time here to make this dish look so pretty. So by the way, while I'm doing this, I'm actually heating up a pot of water. So we need to bring water to boil before we put a fish on the steamer. Okay, the water is boiling right now. The fish is ready to go on steamer. We're going to steam this fish for about 8 minutes only. And be sure to set timer for 8 minutes only. Do not steam this fish over 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you will have perfectly tenderness of steamed fish. Another important tip, do not open the lid immediately after 8 minutes. Let the fish sit in steamer for additional 3 to 5 minutes before you open the lid. Time is up. I'm taking out a steam ball from the pot. Remove all the ginger slices, green onion slices, as well as Thai chili slices off the fish. I've got a steamed white rice in my serving bowl, and I'll take out a few pieces of fish fillet on top of the rice. Also some steamed broccoli in my serving bowl. Notice the water in steam bowl underneath the broccoli, which we will throw away. That's a moisture during the steam. Okay, this is my portion of steamed fish with rice and vegetables. I will garnish with Thai chili slices and green onion slices. Then I will slowly pour 1.5 tablespoons of steamed fish soy sauce on each piece of fish fillet. This particular soy sauce, just for steamed fish, have a very unique and delicious flavor. I linked in description where to get it. After soy sauce poured on each piece of fish, then using hot oil, I used the corn oil here to splash a couple tablespoons of it on every piece of fish fillet to bring out full body aroma. Gosh, this smells so good here. And this is second bowl for my husband. Again, I will use a soy sauce to cover the fish fillet and hot oil pour on top of it. Oh yeah, before that I need to add scallions and Thai chili slices and ginger slices as well. Then the hot oil just bring out a full body aroma from all the herbs that we used as well as the soy sauce. Just take a look at this. It is super tender, super delicious, so easy to make, and so healthy. It is definitely paired well with a steamed either brown rice or white rice. The rice will soak up all the flavors and pair well with the tenderness of the fish and crunchiness of the vegetables. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you all give it a try. Let me know what you think. I will see you next time.